Here we come to the elevators at the Mays Business School, which is the Wehner building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Look at all this food right here. It's food and desserts. Nice. Wow. This is yummy. Nice desserts, some fruit snacks, and much more. But anyways, let's take a ride on the elevators. We got the middle elevator car, so let's take this one. I'm not gonna do all 3 elevator cars because I wanna focus on the one in the center. Here we are at 4. On the 1. I like the 3D door sensors. Still has not changed. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. Look at the big lines of symmetry right there. And there's your 88 phone.
You going down?
Yes, I am.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I just like to film elevators for my hobby, for a hobby.
Do you really?
Yep.
What are you filming for?
I just do video recordings about elevators. These were installed in 1993, and I share the videos on YouTube, and they get so much views. These are Dover Traffomatic 4, computer basic microprocessor system, which were introduced in the early 80s. So with that being said, thanks for watching. There it goes, and that's it.